We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at Ferris's ISX800. Front, you can see the Ferris ForeFront suspension. It does have the removable floor panel. Here we have your padded seat with armrests. This does have a 61-inch cutting deck. It's going to be made of 10-gauge steel, and it does have the ICD cutting system. This does have greasable aluminum spindles. Here we have the fuel tank. It is a 5.5-gallon fuel tank. Has the rollover protection system. The rear bumper. Here we have the 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine. This does also have the Hydro Gear ZT3400s. We have your control panel, your PTO, your choke, throttle. Does have a rubber chute. Here we have the foot pedal operated cutting height adjustment. This does have heights between 1.5 inches and 5 inches. Once again, this is Ferris's ISX800 with the 61-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower, give us a call at 615-641-7720.